I hope you all are as proud as I am of Uzwelakhe. Finally, ugcine embambile uGcwabe confront about everything that has been happening. Now, bengade ngifuna uGcwabe athole like a real punishment. I'm really stressed ukuthi umnikeze nje ama-threats angayindawo. Mina bengifuna athole a real punishment, man. Yabona, into ezifana nalezo. And I also like to approach kaZwelakhe towards him. I really thought that uZwelakhe mhlawumbe bezwelaphana nge-anger, but he went there calmly. Wadila naye calmly. So, I now cannot wait ukuthi what is Gcwabe's retaliation going to be towards all of this. And I want to talk about this and more here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Now, I was so worried. I was really thinking deep down, damn it, lo mfana lo uvela suka eGcwabe, mafika lapha eGcwabe, fika mconfront, and then uGcwabe uthatha yonke lo nto le, put it under carpet, fika convince uZwelakhe ukuthi mina I'm not the bad guy here. Umuntu orongo uma wakhe and stuff like he always does. But there was no way you could manipulate uZwelakhe ngendlela uZwelakhe approaching ngayo. So uZwelakhe went there calmly. For check eGcwabe bafike bathini abantu bakamntauni the time yekubona. Sesiqamba lamanga lawo wakhe uZwelakhe was looking at him like, nigga, I know what you did. Ngiyazi ukuthi wenzeni. Owaqamba manga wakho wambukela. Now, one thing that I didn't like is the threats that uZwelakhe gave him. I wanted uZwelakhe ukuthi afanele amaphoyisa manje. Amaphoyisa nangulo slama lo. He's been stealing for our family business. So, deal with him right now. But then uZwelakhe walebala ba diplomatic, wabemtshela ukuthi Gcwabe, if waphinda wenza lento lena ngizodila nawe. Hey man, uZwelakhe bengifuna mina act there so that Gcwabe ezobona ukuthi baba kudlala, because I'm afraid ukuthi if uthi uGcwabe is able to do what he did ngalawo malobola that he did lapha kaMtaung, yini engayenza angeke yena gcine mhlawumbe sombulala yena uZwelakhe self ke manje, because I'm scared ukuthi this whole thing might escalate to that. So we don't know, but I'm just excited ukuthi uZwelakhe finally see this guy ukuthi ubani, so he will never ever be able to trust him again. And according ukuthi abelokho emthume ekuthina izinto zakhe, meaning that we might be seeing a wedding coming soon. Twang. Angazi guys, comment down in the comment section if you ngicabangani na about this whole situation. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.